Hi friends, my name is Charu Agarwal. I hope you all are good and I am also good. So today's topic is about vowel combination. So let's start. So vowel combinations. A vowel combination is a combination of two or three vowels or a vowel and at least one consonant. It means a vowel combination is a combination of one or three vowels together, or a vowel and at least a one consonant which will have one sound. It means in vowel combination we get one sound. It can be a short sound or a long sound of a vowel. To understand, let's take an example. In the word C, you can see that E and A is a vowel combination, but it is a single sound only, because E is only giving a sound and A is not giving a sound. So it is a vowel combination. So in today's session, we will discuss about two vowel combinations. The first one is A vowel combination and the second one is O vowel combination. So let's start with the A vowel combination. So let's start. So the A vowel combinations. First one, AU gives a O sound. You can see that A is a vowel and U is also a vowel. As in fault, sauce, launch. AW gives a O sound. Here A is a vowel and W is a consonant. As in saw, claw, paw. WA gives a wa sound. Here W is a consonant and A is a vowel. As in want, water, a word. AI or AY gives long A sound. Example, aim, rain, say, pay, etc. You can see on these words, AI or AY gives a long A sound. So the next one is the O vowel combinations. So let's start. So the O vowel combinations. Usually O vowel combinations has 4 combinations. Double O combination, OW combination, OU combination, OE combination. So let's start with the double O vowel combination. Double O vowel combination has 2 sounds, short U sound and long U sound. Here are some examples of short U sound. Book, look, foot, wood. You can see that on these short U examples, the sound is very short and it's coming instantly. Here are some examples of long U sound. You, lose, foot, food, shoot. You can see on these long U vowel sounds, the sound is very long and it is coming not instantly. It is coming longly. So the next one is OW vowel combination. So let's start. The second sound is OW vowel combination. Usually OW vowel combination has 2 sounds. The first one is combination of long A sound and long U sound. For example, cow, bow, allow, now, wow. The second sound is long O sound, as in crow, snow, slow, blow, show, etc. You can see on all of these words, we can only hear one sound, that is O sound. So the next one is OU vowel combination. So let's start. The third sound is OU vowel combination. OU vowel combination has 5 different sounds. The first one is combination of long A plus long U sound, as in account, amount, mouth, noun, out, etc. The second sound is long U sound, as in soup, you, troop. The third sound is short U sound, as in would, could, should. The fourth sound is long O sound, as in soul, mold. The fifth sound is short A sound, as in country, double. You can see on all these words, there is only one sound of U, O, but there are 5 different sounds are coming on all these words. So the fourth sound is OE vowel combination. So let's start. So the fourth sound is OE vowel combination. OE vowel combination only has one sound, the long O sound, as in do, to, fo, ho. And OE vowel combination always comes at the end of the word. So it was all about the vowel combination, and I will end up here only. On the next session, I will tell you more about vowel combination. Bye bye. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.